Hi everyone, I just wanted to share with you all how I made this fat head for my son's football senior night. I bought 2 posters from Walgreens, size 24 by 36. Both posters cost me $25.59. That's about $12.79 a piece with the 60% off coupon. Walgreens always has coupons. As you can see, right here, I have white foam poster boards that I purchased from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. I wanted the black poster boards, foam poster boards. However, they didn't have any at the time. I only end up using one of these posters to make a fat head. We used the other to put on his wall as a poster. These are pictures that he took at school, so they're pretty good quality pictures. I tried using some pictures that I had in my cell phone, but they will be really grainy trying to get them at this size. So you probably could use pictures from your cell phone that you've taken, but you'll probably have to choose a smaller option poster. I cut around a perimeter of him, and I'm going to glue it to the poster board. I use a glue gun, something I already had at home, and you'll need some scissors, of course. Some people have used Mod Podge. I've never used Mod Podge, so I just used what I had. So I'm going to cut around the perimeter of this picture, and here you can see what it looks like after I cut it out. Yeah, my senior's a pretty big guy. He plays O-line. Okay, I'm gonna glue the poster to the white foam board, as you can see right here. And like I said before, you can use Mod Podge or whatever you like to use to glue the poster to the board. They also have adhesive posters, but I didn't want to use that. Okay, you can see me gluing the poster here. And then I'm going to cut around the perimeter of the glue poster board, as you can see here. This is what it looks like afterward. And this is senior night. Thank you for watching.